Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to change the country on Roblox. So this is really simple to do. As you can see here, we are on the Roblox main page, of course, and we have to click right here on these three dots on the corner, and we scroll down and we click right here on help. As you can see here on help, we have to go scroll down right here and click on contact us. So here on contact us, what we have to do is to click here on where it says support form, and this is gonna lead us to this page. So what we have to do here is to put, of course, your date of birth, wherever it is, I don't know, and put for example this. Click next. Then you have to, of course, fill this information, and here, which is the important thing, is where you have to type in, because you want to change your country, you have to type in and tell the Roblox support that you want this. This is the only way to do this, guys, so you can do it from the settings directly, so this is the only way you have to do it, but no worries, because the Roblox support will respond you in less than 24 hours. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe if this helped you.